गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग सितंबर थर्ड वीक के क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आईबीपीएस, पीओ, क्लर्क, आरआरबी सभी के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर द प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ द ओजोन लेयर 2020? आंसर, Ozone for Life 35 years of ozone layer protection. Next question. What is the name of the winner of the Italian Grand Prix 2020? Answer, Pierre Gasly. Which country was the host nation for the 35th Food and Agriculture Organization Regional Conference for Asia and the Pacific? Answer, Bhutan. Which place has been declared by US President Donald Trump as the first World War II heritage city? Wilmington. What is the theme of International Day of Democracy 2020? COVID-19, a spotlight on democracy. Recently, India held the 10th Defense Technology and Trade Initiative group meeting with which country on virtual mode? United States. What is the theme of World Patient Safety Day 2020? Health worker safety, a priority for patient safety. Who has been signed as the brand ambassador of the educational technology company Great Learning? Virat Kohli. Who has been conferred with the Lifetime Achievement Award by Euromoney Awards of Excellence 2020? Aditya Puri. Name the theme of 4th edition of Global Ayurveda Summit, Emerging Opportunities for Ayurveda During Pandemic. SBI General Insurance Company has signed corporate agency agreement with which bank? Answer, Yes Bank. What is the deadline given by the RBI to the banks to fully automate NPA classification and provisioning calculation process? June 30, 2021. Online poker platform 9stacks has signed as its brand ambassador. Answer, Suresh Raina. Which Indian city is the top-ranked city in the 2020 Smart City Index of IMD? Hyderabad. In September 2020, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, that is NABARD, gave in principal sanction worth how much amount of proposals received from agri-credit societies in 2022 states? Answer, rupees 1568 crore. What is the theme of the World Water Monitoring Day 2020? Solve water. Who is the head of the committee whose tenure has been extended by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs by 1 year to September 2021? Rajesh Verma. Which country has become the first in the world to issue a sovereign bond linked to the Sustainable Development Goals set by the United Nations? Mexico. Which state launched a scheme, Late Balasaheb Thackeray Road Accident Insurance Scheme, to provide financial and medical help at the government cost to road accident victims? Maharashtra. Which state topped the first All India Happiness Report covering all states and union territories measuring happiness across the country? Mizoram. Which state launched the Primary Agricultural Cooperative Society, that is PACS, Portugal web portal www.pacsportugal.com, Which is the first PSCS in India to come up with a web portal? Answer: Telangana. What is the theme of the International Coastal Cleanup Day 2020? Achieving a trash-free coastline. Who from India has been named by the United Nations to the 2020 cohort of Young Leaders for the Sustainable Development Goals? Udit Singhal. Which state government inaugurated Swachh Cafe and Swachhta Park in one of the districts on the birthday of PM Narendra Modi? Himachal Pradesh. In September 2020, where did the Union Cabinet approve the establishment of the new All India Institute of Medical Sciences? Answer is Bihar, city Darbhanga. Who has been appointed as the head of the Vertical Emerging Entrepreneurs business created by Bandhan Bank? Kumar Ashish. According to Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, that is OECD, India's GDP will contract to how much percent in the current fiscal? 10.2%. Who launched a new loan scheme named Apna Ghar Dreams for skilled workers employed in the informal sector in Delhi? ICICI Home Finance Company Limited. Ashok Leyland and Hindustan Zinc have joined hands with which institute for its endeavor to develop a zinc air battery? IIT Madras. In September 2020, where did e-commerce giant Amazon set up an all-women delivery station? Answer is Gujarat. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये थे सितंबर 3rd वीक के इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. आने वाले एग्जाम के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. वीडियो देखने के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच. अगर चैनल पर नए हैं तो लाइक एंड शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल बटन को क्लिक करिए, हमारे चैनल पर बने रहिए आने वाली वीडियोस के लिए. थैंक्स.